Hello friends, today we are going to see a small effort to figure out a bonsai style through wiring. What you see here is a twin trunk style bonsai. Now it's time to give some style to its foliage section. Hence, it is allowed to grow excessively during the long monsoon season. First, we will trim the leaves of the plant, leaving one or two leaves on each branch along with the bud. After that, I will take a look at the arrangement of the branches and the growth of these branches because it will depend on whether I will keep the buds with one or two leaves or throw them away. The leaves can be cut, leaving the buds in what is seen. This is the complete leafless state after complete defoliation of the plant. Now we will start wiring. Before that, I will trim the newly emerged prop roots a little because their disordered condition hides the true beauty of the plant. But don't cut them now. That can be done later. Then let's see how to do its wiring. Here, two branches coming out from the same main branch at the length of the two branches approximately. Suppose total length is 12 inch. Then I will get a wire of 16 to 18 inch. That means the wire length should be 25 to 30% extra of the total length of two branches. Talking about the wire, I am using galvanized iron wire here. And rather than saying its gauge separately, it is better to tell the real thing that the wire should be quite a bit narrower than the branch or branches of the plant that will be wiring. In that case, the wire should be strong metal wire instead of soft metal like copper. Now we will tie the wire to the thick main branch from which two branches have come out and tie one wire to one branch and another to the other branch. At the time of this entanglement, it will be entwined in such a way that it does not pass over the places where the buds will come out from the part of the cut leaves on the branches. After attaching it, I will try to gently bend the branch, but this should be done very carefully. Otherwise, there will be a chance of breaking any suitable branch. In the meantime, it is better to talk about some tricks about the works. If this work is done during monsoon, then the tree should be picked up from an open air place and kept in a dry place for at least 24 hours. Otherwise, there is a possibility of infection in the branches during pruning. And if it has to be done in winter or summer, then the foliar spray of fresh water should be done 3 or 4 times throughout the day, or the plant should be covered with a big polythene for 12 to 14 hours, and then work should be started so that the plant does not lack moisture. As well as after the work is completed, spray fresh water at least 2 times a day. It will be soon produce buds on the tree, but it is better not to do this wiring during extreme heat. Here it can be seen that the way or the direction in which this branch has grown is hiding the front of the bonsai, so it is better to cut it. In this context, I would like to say that the front side and back side of a bonsai are fixed when the bonsai is first placed in the normal pot from the preliminary pot or baby pot. But many have idea that the side of a bonsai that faces the sunlight is the front side and the side that is behind the sunlight is the back side. I will discuss this in detail in a separate video. Even after a lot of precautions, if a branch breaks during bending, like this branch, this is better to tie it with a little wire instead of cutting it. So we wrapped the wire in it, and finally we will spray antifungal. Let's see if the branch survives or not. Anyway, the work is done After that, we will put it in sunlight for 2 hours every day for 10 days, and then we will see. After 10 days, I have come again with the plant. It appears that new leaves have emerged on each branch, but I broke off the buds after 2 leaves emerged. It will produce more buds from the cut leaves segments on the branches. We will take a glance at the branch which was broken during wiring. New leaves have come out from that branch also. In this video, we mainly discussed wiring process with defoliation. But before this work, it is better to give the plant a fertilizer feed. This tree is also given that feed with routine root maintenance. That video is coming very soon. Anyway, how do you feel about the videos on our channel? Please tell us in the comment box. And if you like it, please share more, give a like, and subscribe the channel. If there is any difficulty in understanding, then write in the comment box. Okay, so far today. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.